Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for rocking with your girl. If you are new, welcome aboard and let me know in the comments below how you found me. And if you like this video at the very end, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and opinion on this crimp unit. So today I am reviewing another Outre melted hairline unit. It is the Outre melted hairline lace front wig in the style LILYANA, and I got it in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. And this is what the card looks like. And this is what the middle looks like. And this is the back of the card. So it's an HD transparent lace, high-tech, heat safe up to 400 degrees. This crimp unit is giving me straight up Beyonce vibes because I know she had it. I want to say it was in the checkup on it video. I can't remember, but I know Beyonce lived some crimps back then. But yes, this color, I'm gonna come closer. This color is so pretty. Okay, so this unit was a lot easier than Kamaya. If you see my review for that one, you know, last week, then you know that I talked about my struggle bus. The struggle was real for that one. I forgot I had lace tint, so I did tint the lace, and I feel like the outcome came out a lot better. In my Kamaya video, I was saying that the roots are too dark. I mean, not the roots, that the knots are too dark or too thick. That the knots are too thick, but I did go in with my beauty blender brush for that one, and then I was looking around in my things in between filming, and I'm like, oh yeah, duh. So I do like the outcome a lot more with the tinted lace. So if you are a newbie like me, I would highly recommend. This is EBIN. I love EBIN. I'm not sponsored by them. I just really like their stuff. The link for this is listed in my Amazon store below, so make sure you guys check it out. But I have 4C hair. I'm natural, so I feel like their edge control is the only edge control that actually lays my edges down. Eventually, it does have like a white cast in it, but I mean, it is what it is, edge control. But anyway, so I did get this unit from Wig Types. It does range on their website for about $38, and there is a $2 upcharge for specialty colors like this one. All the good colors are gone, you guys. Wig Types literally posted in their Instagram feed both of these units, and for some reason they was just gone like that. But I'm happy that I was able to get this color. I have been feeling like the browns like lately. I don't know what it is, but the golden browns, I have been feeling them. I just love the color. So LILYANA, girl, first of all, I'm just going to show you guys. It is ear to ear on me. My head size is about 21 inches, and that's all the way around. I measured it finally. And I would say it's a medium size cap. You know, I tried it on without the elastic band, and it was just a tad bit tight. Yeah, so keep that in mind when purchasing. If you have a big head, if you're big head friendly, just keep that in mind. Is you know, I would say it definitely caters to the medium small size, but you can get away with it. As far as gluing it down, it might be like pulling your eyebrows back. I don't know. But just keep that in mind. Also, I would say as far as shedding, there is some shedding going on with this unit. Here is what I pulled out so far. There definitely is some shedding. Tangling, none as of yet, but I literally just took it right out the package. So there shouldn't be tangling. Lots of shedding going on. I will say that because this has some type of pattern to it, just keep that in mind when combing it. You know, whenever you comb these synthetic wigs, they do get bigger and bigger every time you comb them. So unless you want to put product in it, it's up to you. I personally don't like putting product in my wigs when I first buy them, because you know you're messing it up. You're cutting off the longevity of its life. So I typically don't like to put product in my wigs when I first get them. But this curl pattern, baby, so pretty. For those of you that do not know, I have a special giveaway going on. If you want to participate, you must check out this video. The link is listed below, but yes. But this was a super quick, easy, fun video. I'm so proud of myself. The only thing I did was cut the lace. I used my spray tint, and I gave myself a little bit of baby hair right here, and that was it. I did overdo it a little bit, so I went in with the baby wipe and just wiped it away, and then I went in with my brush and just went over it one more time. I'm proud of myself, yes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.